Hi, I'm Annabelle Foster and I'm a PhD student at Durham University studying volcanology, and I'm also an illustrator as well, and I'm here as an artist in residence at EGU25. I'm going to be creating a large format digital artwork where it's going to be like a science fiction fantasy style map. Sort of showcasing the work that's been presented at the conference this week. So at the moment, this is my sketch pad, and I'm gathering my data of where people conduct their research around the world, and eventually I'll digitise this and feature them as different settlements, geology places, and it'll be interactive, so if you hover over an area, it will take people to their EGU abstracts or any articles that they've recently published. And yeah, it's been a really lovely piece to work on and sort of get to know all sort of flavours of research that's going on at the conference.